Taking a U-turn, international media has now confirmed that the man holding 4 people hostage at a Texas synagogue was a British citizen. Earlier, he was declared as Pakistani, although his identity has been confirmed. But the question remains why he was hastily confirmed as Pakistani. Was that a mere mistake or was an organized propaganda against Pakistan and Pakistanis? In this video, I will share with you the updates of this sensational story. I am Wasim Raza from Italy and you are watching Globbal TV. According to the details, British authorities have confirmed that a hostage-taking suspect who was shot dead after holding 4 people hostage at a Texas synagogue was a British citizen. Media outlets in the UK reported on Sunday, 16 January 2022. The US media, meanwhile, claimed that the FBI has identified the suspect as Malik Faisal Akram, a 44 years old British citizen. Fox News said that the FBI, the last field office, confirmed the identity in an email to Fox News Digital. At this time, there's no indications that other individuals are involved. It quoted the FBI as saying, earlier, US President Biden told reporters in Philadelphia that the suspect was arrested 15 years ago and was jailed for 10 years. British media outlets have not named the suspect. British Sky News said that man did not live in the United States and had traveled to the country recently. Sky News quoted a UK Foreign Office spokesperson as saying that they are aware of the death of a British man in Texas and are in contact with the local authorities. It also said that the Met Police Counter-Terrorism Unit is liaising with US authorities and colleagues from the FBI regarding the incident in Texas. Neither the US nor the UK authorities have confirmed officially if the hostage taker had indeed demanded the release of Pakistani neuroscientist Dr. Afia Siddiqui, who has been jailed in Texas federal prison for attacking the US troops in Afghanistan. However, international media outlets have reported that in a live feed from the synagogue, the suspect was heard demanding the release of Afia Siddiqui, whom he called his sister. That led some news websites, especially from India, to claim that the suspect was Muhammad Siddiqui, Afia Siddiqui's real brother, but the claims soon proved to be false. Afia Siddiqui's sister, Fawzia Siddiqui, who is based in Karachi, told Independent Urdu that his brother was not involved in the hostage crisis. She said the claims were an example from the irresponsible journalism. After it was reported that the suspect had been killed and the hostage had been freed unharmed, Fawzi Siddiqui said, "Thank God the hostage crisis is over." American Muslims have also condemned the siege in the small Texas town of the Colleyville as an act of anti-Semitism. No doubt, swapping of Afia Siddiqui for Shakil Afridi has been in the works for a while in backdoor channel between Pakistan and America, but no any aggressive act has come up in this regard from Pakistan or any Pakistani. Till now, Pakistani embassy personnel are constantly in contact with Dr. Afia Siddiqui in prison as per legal rules and regulations. So far as Malik Faisal Akram is concerned, this character is nothing to do with Pakistan or Pakistanis. Whatever he has done is an individual act. As per recent international reports are concerned, it's proven that the conspiracy plotted by the anti-Pakistan forces against Pakistan, Pakistani and overseas Pakistani has gone in vain. PTA chairman Imran Khan had promised to bring Afia back home, but Prime Minister Imran Khan has not uttered a single word for Dr. Afia Siddiqui imprisonment. A common Pakistani, apart from allegations against Dr. Afia Siddiqui, she is considered to be the daughter of Pakistan and she must be taken back at any cost. Till next, take care.